Hi everyone, in this guide, I'll teach you to locate the cameras so that they fit within the frame of a short. We will be working with that format, the short formats for social media. For that, we are going to select our footage, our camera. Surely, if you have already worked on it in a previous project and are extracting the shorts, you copy and paste them into a separate sequence. They will look something like this. They won't be centered. Therefore, in the Effects Control panel, here, we can adjust the motion settings. And using all these values, we can adjust the position. Using this, we can move left to right. With this, we move from top to bottom. And with this tool, we see the size in the scale. I can boost it a bit to bring it closer. I can now see how it will look. I think it's good. So if I'm convinced about this parameter regarding this movement, I can clone it. And this way I will transfer it to the rest of the short. And well, if I own more shorts here and they are from the same camera, I will select all the cameras and then press Ctrl V to paste the movement into all cameras. After I settled in that spot, I'll have the same spot for the image. Thus, that's it for now.